Dear students, I am Dr. Ramesh Anbanandam, Professor in the Department of Management Studies at IIT Roorkee. I am offering an online certification course on project management under NPTEL sponsored by Ministry of Education, Government of India. You might wonder why learning about project management is crucial for individuals. It is the key to ensure your projects are not just completed, but completed on time, within budget and up to the expected standard. Project management goes beyond that. It helps identify and mitigate risk, manage resources effectively, and keep stakeholders well informed and involved throughout the project. This knowledge is a game changer for the successful completion of your project. There are no prerequisites for this course. Whether you are a student in undergraduate, postgraduate, or PhD, irrespective of your field of study, this course is designed for you. The principles of project management are universal and they apply to every discipline. The uniqueness of this course is that it covers both practical knowledge and relevant software packages for project management. This is an 8-week course comprising 40 lectures divided into 4 parts, namely project initiation, planning, execution, and the use of IT in project management. Throughout the course, you will be given assignment to apply what you have learned and they will be graded. I am looking forward to meet you in the course. Thank you.